friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Knowledge on Every Topic. Today, again I have brought our information for you. We have already learned about present and past tense. Now, we will learn about the future tense and its kinds. So, we will start today from simple future tense. It is very interesting and easy. If you like my video, then please share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So today we are going to learn about future tense. Here we will express the actions which will happen in the future time, not in the past or in the present. So it is very interesting. Let's see. It has also 6 types of sentences like positive, negative, interrogative, interrogative plus negative, WH question and WH question plus negative sentence. So let's start with the positive sentence. But in future tense, shall and will is also used. So first we will learn about the uses of shall and will. Let's see. Use of shall or will. First we will see about shall. Shall कहाँ पर यूज होता है फ्यूचर टेंस में? Shall is used with the subject I and we. Shall I और we के साथ यूज किया जाता है और ये फर्स्ट पर्सन भी है. And where we use the will. Will subject he, she, it, they, and you के साथ किया जाता है. Now let's move to the first sentence, means positive sentence. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर है सब्जेक्ट प्लस शैल और विल, V1 object or complement. You can see shall and will is used in this structure, and in all the structure of future tense, simple future tense, shall and will are used. तो यहाँ पर मैंने आपको shall और will कैसे यूज किया जाता है, किस सब्जेक्ट के साथ बताया है. अब इसके एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. I shall help you. यहाँ पर हम लोग I के साथ shall यूज कर रहे हैं, and shall can use with I and we. Let's see one more example. He will go to Delhi. He will go to Delhi. यहाँ पर he के साथ हम लोग will यूज कर रहे हैं. He will go to Delhi. Now let's see the second sentence. Second sentence है negative sentence. Negative sentence. इसका स्ट्रक्चर है subject shall plus will, shall or will plus not plus V1 object oblique complement. Here we are using not because this is negative sentence. अब इसके कुछ examples देखते हैं. For example, I he will not work today. He will not work today. With he हम लोग will यूज कर रहे हैं. He will not work today. Second example is they will not play cricket today. They will not play cricket today. These sentences are telling about the future, not about the past or present. When we are using here will, it expresses about the future time. They will not play cricket today. They will not play. They are not playing or they have not played. They will not play. It is telling about the future. Now let's see the third sentence or interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? Shall or will plus subject plus V1 plus object oblique complement. Here shall and will we will use in the first. After that we will use subject. V1 means the original form of the verb and object oblique complement. V1 is the original or the base form of the verb which we are using in all the sentences in future tense. You can see we have used play, work, or many sentences help, go. These are the original form of verbs. That is known as V1 form. Let's see example. Shall I bake a cake? here also we are using shall at the first, then subject, and V1 is the bake. This is the original form of the verb shall I bake a cake. It is asking a question, so it is interrogative. Let's see one more. Will you help to the poor? Now the fourth sentence is interrogative plus negative sentence, means we will add not with interrogative sentence. Interrogative plus negative sentence. Interrogative plus negative sentence. Structure is shall or will plus subject plus not plus V1 object or complement. For example, will you not meet with your relatives? Will you not meet with your relatives? We are using here the not. Will you not meet with your relatives? Let's see one more example. Will they not go to will they not go to picnic? First we are using will with the they. With the subject they हम लोग will use करते हैं. Will they not go to picnic? Go is the base or the original form of the verb. Now let's see the fifth sentence, which is WH question sentence. WH question sentence. Structure is WH question word plus shall or will plus subject plus V1 plus object oblique complement. Where will we go today? Where will we go today? I have told that shall is used with I and we. मैं आपको बताई थी कि shall I और we के साथ use होता है, but generally the subject we is used with all the subjects. So here I have used will and will with the V. Will is used with generally every subjects. Now let's see one more example. Why shall I complete this work today? Here Y is also starting with WH. It is also a WH word where, why, how, these are the WH words which I have used here. Why shall I complete this work today? Now the sixth sentence, which is the last sentence, is WH plus negative sentence. WH question plus negative sentence means we will use here the use of not will be there. Then the structure is WH question word plus shall or will plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object or complement. Structure is WH question word plus shall will plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object oblique complement. For example, why will they not teach to the students? Here again I have used why, which is WH question word, and not because it is WH question plus negative sentence. Why will they not teach to the students? It is question with using not. These are all the 6 sentences and use of shall and will. I hope you have understood about the simple future tense, and it was very easy to use will and shall with all the sentences. So learn these structures and it will so easy for you to learn. If you like my video, then please share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye. Thank you.